Hi friends, this is the juicer whiskey on a small cube like the metal shells like an ice cube, but it don't have the water. So the use for this is that you can directly freeze this in the refrigerator, and when you put it in your drink, there will be no water dilution of the flavor for your drink. So it's pretty nice, comes in a really handy gift set. As you can see it here, it's a gift box, and then a very nice packing. So it's very nice to give gift to a person who is interested in drinks, and is very fond of drinks, so that you can enjoy the drink without any dilution. So it's very nice bullet design with the metal. You can just freeze that directly into the freezer and put it in your drinks and use it. Pretty nice six set. So 6-piece set, and nice looking and easy to use. You can see like the gift set is also nice, and the shape is really nice and good.